I would like to say thank you for all the support that you showed to me on my last video. Guys, kailangan natin mag-English. Meron tayong mga supporters from other countries, so I just want to welcome them in my channel by trying my best to speak in English. Dudugo ang ilog ko. Pero, I will try my best to speak in English. Sir, ma'am, you are very welcome on my channel. Welcome to Suzette's Kitchen. But before we're going to start to our dish, I just want to share this video of someone that I admired so much because I always support her video and it motivated me so much, and I would like it to share with you guys to push this depression awareness by sharing this Madrigal's video to push the awareness of depression. So we don't know that we can help someone's life or our normal life without any depression. Of course, we want everybody to be happy, to be successful in life, because we need a happy society. So I have also same messages to all my viewers, so I would like to push this Madrigal's video, so please do watch and share to your friends and family. We do hope that we could reach out to those people who are suffering from depression and help them to reach out that they are not alone. Okay, so I hope you can share it. Ayan na, dumudugo na yung ilong ko. Madrigal, I really admire you so much. I hope someday you could watch this video. Nananayo ang balahibo ko. That I just trying to support in every video that you have, that I'm also inspired by your story and being a strong woman, a fitness coach, a mother, a wife. You're such a beautiful woman. Thank you so much for that inspiration that you've given to me and to your other viewers. So let's go to our dish for today. This dish is inspired by Pepper Lunch, a very famous fast food steak restaurant here in Japan. I would recommend this dish to a very busy day or a lazy day cooking. I would call this lazy day cooking because all you need is just cut the beef, cut those onion spring, then just you're just going to use the hot plate and put it on the table, so you're done. I'm also going to add, of course, to balance our meal, a fresh salad called CHOREGI salad. This salad is all fresh vegetables, and this is a Korean salad, so I hope you're going to enjoy this recipe. So let's go!
So first, we're going to slice the cucumber. Cut the sunny lettuce into bite size. Cut the carrots into strips. We're going to soak the cucumber and sunny lettuce in ice cold water for 5 to 10 minutes. After 5 to 10 minutes, we need to drain the water. You can use salad spinner if you have one. After draining the water, now we can add the stripped carrot. This is the dressing I'm going to use. The Yakiniku Tare Korean barbecue sauce. Add 3 tablespoons of Korean barbecue sauce. Then you can add the 1 tablespoon sesame oil. add 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds. And mix it all gently. To balance the taste, I will add a dash of ground black pepper. And that's it. That's the very simple way of making a CHOREGI salad. These servings is good for 2 persons. And last, just drizzle the sesame seeds on top and you're done. So next we're going to make the beef pepper rice. Guys, you can also check the measurement of ingredients at the description box of this video. So first we're going to slice beef thinly. Then we're going to cut the onions, but I have this suggestion to regrow spring onions. I cut the stem and soak in the water. And that's the after 4 days of the spring onions. Then you can use this every time you need it. Then cut spring onions into small pieces. Gather it in the bowl. To grease the hot plate, spread a bit of margarine or butter and add the sliced beef. Suggest to mold your steamed rice in a bowl and add on top of the beef. Make a shallow surface to hold the corn and onion spring. And add 100 grams corn on top. Add the 100 grams spring onions. Add the 1/2 teaspoon ground black pepper. Add the 1 tablespoon of beef stock. And this is optional. Instead of salt, I use butter soy sauce flavoring powder. Then the last, you can add the 1 tablespoon margarine or butter. After 5 minutes, mix gently until the margarine or butter and seasoning combine together and beef cook finely. And it's done! Homemade beef pepper rice.
サラダどうですか？
うまい。
はい、ありがとう。
これ本当うまいね。
美味しい？And thank you so much for spending your time watching my shared recipe for this day. I hope it could help your lazy, busy days, but I guarantee you're gonna love this, your family gonna love this. Just don't forget to balance the meal. So please do make a veggies that I also shared in this video, the CHOREGI salad. This is very easy salad, or even your favorite salad, it will be okay. For me, I would like to serve my family with a balanced meal, so I hope also you do so. For our shout out time, I really would like to welcome the new family of Suzette's Kitchen. So thank you so much, RCR TV from Bangladesh, Yomi Carr, Proudly Mama Vlogs, Princess P.Masanting, and Sunny TV. Thank you so much for your support and welcome to Suzette's Kitchen family. And before that, the supporters or my family members here in Suzette's Kitchen, that I really feel that I'm very welcome also in their family, and I'm so overwhelmed. I would like to say thank you to Kusinera, Carry Kawaii, Tare Delicious, Mcfree, Princess 24, Japan Dolls, Setsune, and everybody. Of course, I love you so much, guys. You're the reason why I'm trying to do my best in every video that I'm uploading, because you motivate me so much. I want also to share what the knowledge I have to inspire those viewers that I have, and I hope you can learn something from me, and of course I want to learn something from you guys. So if you have any requests, suggestion, I'm very open in any suggestion. So I hope you could comment down below and I will read it. And I would like to shout out my sister's catering service in Bacolod City, Mrs. Irene Ilalto. She can probably deliver the service within Bacolod or near in Bacolod, but still you can try to reach her in her Facebook page and try to discuss about the dishes that you wanted her to cook for you. Guys, I'm really hoping to be with you again on my next video. If you are new to my channel, please do click the subscribe button, and if you do like this video, please click the thumbs up button, and if you don't want to miss my next upload video, please do click the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget that every day there's a reason to smile. Bye guys!